The all-new Subaru Impreza is built for the long road ahead. In fact, it's the longest-lasting vehicle in its class, with 97% of Impreza vehicles sold in the last 10 years still on the road today. The all-new Impreza is built on the Subaru Global Platform, using extensive high-strength steel for long-lasting quality. With great durability, rigidity, and vibration resistance for a quieter and smoother ride, the Global Platform is designed to provide confidence for years to come. The Impreza also comes loaded with the newest technology: blind spot detection and rear cross-traffic alert, rear vision camera and reverse automatic braking, LED steering responsive headlights, and high beam assist. Discover why the Impreza is so easy to love. Stop by our dealership and get behind the wheel of the Subaru Impreza.